Hi everyone! Overtime right now. This is 2023 Toyota Fortuner GR. I'm upgrading the stock fog lamp on this unit. As you can see on the driver's side, I already replaced the bulb. See how bright compared to the stock on the passenger side. This is the stock bulb, and this is the aftermarket. The comparison. The lower one I'm holding is the original and the upper one is the aftermarket. As you can see, it's bigger chip compared to the stock. This is available also on super yellow color, golden yellow. This is applicable for the all new Toyota, the 2021 up, for Fortuner, the Hilux, the LC300. As you can see, how bright. And this is the stock. See the difference. This is a plug and play installation. 30 minutes less. This is available here at PRS, Car Accessories and Services. Get it here now. Stay safe always. Bye!